बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगा आप लोगों का, मुझे पता है लोग बोर भी हो रहे होंगे। आप लोग फाइनल ईयर की स्टूडेंट हैं या सारे डॉक्टर हैं?
आप लोग फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट हैं या सारे डॉक्टर
फाइनल
हैं?
ईयर
फाइनल ईयर और ये नॉन डॉक्टर
नॉन
हैं।
डॉक्टर हैं।
मैंने एक किताब लिखी थी जो शायद आपने पढ़ी, एनेस्थीसिया लेक्चर नोट। उसके शुरू में लिखा हुआ है कि जब आप MBBS में दाखिला लेते हैं तो आप ये ना समझें कि डॉक्टर बन गए। जब आप पास कर लेंगे MBBS तो आप समझें कि मैं आज से डॉक्टर बना। या पार्ट 1 करेंगे या पार्ट 2 करेंगे, then you are doctor. I don't consider you MBBS as a doctor, please. Don't mind. आपने अभी डॉक्टर बनना है। ये अपनी डॉक्टर इधर बैठे हुए। अच्छा, पेन के बारे में मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है आपको? आई एम ओल्ड मैन, मे नॉट बी। सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगा पेन इज डेफिनेटली डिफरेंट। इट इज सेपरेट स्पेशलिटी और रिफा यूनिवर्सिटी एक पहली यूनिवर्सिटी है कि जो पेन में MSc पेन करा रही है। 100 से ज़्यादा यूनिवर्सिटी हैं। रिफा यूनिवर्सिटी ओनली यूनिवर्सिटी गिविंग यू अ डिप्लोमा इन पेन मेडिसिन और उसका ये 2 साल का कोर्स है एंड रिकग्नाइज्ड बाय BMDC and we are running this course since 2005 and I am affiliated with this institute since 1909, which is century से, the oldest man. और मैं आप लोगों को सिर्फ जनरल बताऊंगा कि व्हाट इज पेन एंड हाउ वी डू। पेन में एक बात है कि व्हेन इज द एक्यूट पेन, जैसे आपको ऑपरेशन हुआ, अपेंडिक्स हुआ, कुछ हुआ, तो आप कोई जरूरी नहीं कोई एनेस्थेटिक देंगे उसको, आप एंजियोलाइटिक दे दें और पेन विल रिलीव। अपेंडिक्स का ऑपरेशन हुआ है, इंस्ट्रक्शन हुई, यू सिंपली गिव एनेस्थेटिक डायज़ेपाम, पेन विल रिलीव। But if it is chronic pain, in chronic pain, in acute pain, there is an element of anxiety. So you give anxiolytic. In chronic pain, there is an element of depression. So you have to give antidepressant. ये ना समझे कि बंदे को डिप्रेशन हो गया, but antidepressant they are also act as a pain killer. It's just a basic thing आपको बता दूँ. No, definition of pain की International Association of Study of Pain, they say it is an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience associated with actual or potential distress. इसमें element of sensory emotion शुरू होती है. Now, pain is what the patient says. जो मरीज कहेगा you have to accept it, and it's totally subjective. And some of the people they express in different ways pain, particularly old people. कुछ तरीके से कहेंगे कुछ किस्म का पेन है, लेकिन पेन whatever the patient says you have to believe that he is in pain. Now question arises, who should treat pain? Physician, surgeon, anybody can treat the pain. Not a specific physiologist. But when we started MSc pain medicine, only anesthesiologists were allowed to appear in MSc. But higher education told that why not to take other people. Now we have got professor of orthopedic, also surgeon, and they all are included to learn MSc and they have to train. So all doctors, paramedical staff, family members play an important role in pain medicine. So, but there are some misconceptions. People they say morphine and other strong pain relievers should be reserved only in the late stage. कोई जरूरी नहीं कि आपने सिर्फ severe pain है. If you have got fractured femur, you can give 3 times doses of morphine, nothing like that. You can give whatever the amount you can, capacity in morphine 2 or 3 times. It's because pain is an antidote of morphine. And morphine and other opioids can easily cause respiratory depression. No respiratory depression. If there is pain, don't worry about it. Now, categories of pain. Mainly there are 3 types of categories. One is somatic pain. जैसे आपको चेन मसल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू दर्द हो जाता है, इट इज नोन एज सोमैटिक पेन. फॉर एग्जांपल आर्थराइटिस, ब्रेन, and this is dull type of pain. And it works when there is movement. Most pain medicine will help, but if severe, then they need stronger medication. Another visceral pain. कि आपके पेट में दर्द है, ट्यूमर है, कैंसराइटिस है, ट्यूमर ऑफ पेनक्रियास है, समथिंग, and it's not localized. Rapid, constant and dull, and less effective with movement. And this strong opiate, these are needed for sort of pain.
Now, the
Now, the most difficult pain is neuropathic pain, or neurogenic pain,
such as
diabetic neuropathy, phantom pain, cancer pain, spread the nerve, and this burning and stabbing type of pain.
And
pain medication you have to give antidepressant of. So such antidepressant then a person surprisingly, antidepressant they are also painkillers.
So
neuropathic pain is very common and very difficult to treat. And initiated by primary lesions and all the functional nervous system. There's involvement of nerves.
The current treatment is
tricyclic antidepressants are given, anticonvulsant such as carbamazepine, Tegretol, opiate, Tremor, Nevofit, and pregabalin. Pregabalin are very commonly used these days. Just I have compared this pregabalin, and I think pregabalin is much better than gabalin. Dizziness, somnolence, cerebral and etc. are very general. So pregabalin are mostly common. Most important thing is how to measure pain. There is no criteria, but there is a verbal analog scale that measures from no pain to extreme. One side, no pain, maximum pain. Patient points or tons are there. This is VAS, visual analog scale, no pain, put a hand on. For children, different faces are there. And this is another scale. So this is actually what we thought. It may be difficult for our patient in Pakistan how to pay. पेशेंट में कितना दर्द अमूमन हमारे मरीज कहते हैं सर रुपए में 8 आने पर हुआ है रुपए में 10 पर this we have already devised. But before that, I'll tell you, the pain can be recorded. Now WHO, World Health Organization has told them pain should be recorded. जैसे आप PCR नहीं रिकॉर्ड करते temperature, pulse rate, and this is fifth vital sign. This should be recorded every chart. Whether you are in post-operative ward or intensive care, it should be recorded. So pain should be recorded. This we devised this graph. WHO told me no. This we devised in 1993. The pain should be recorded like this. Pain है, then nurses and doctors take care of it. So pain should be recorded. So in 2017, it has been estimated that 15 to 20% of population have acute pain. And about 25 to 30% of population has some sort of chronic pain. Another important thing that all children they do feel pain. Even child in the intrauterine life he feels pain. So one must be careful that when we are doing certain things etc. हम कहते हैं चलो भाई बच्चे की सर्टिफिकेट कर दो और कोई दर्द नहीं होगा. You must be local process. Now, just I was telling them how to measure pain. This is Pakistan point scale which has already been published in journals. It is nothing but small scale, same thing. So these dirt on this side and some dirt on that side, common around. So patient puts their hand on this side and he can measure. And that's our local device. Now, key points are there. Up to 90% of the patients with low back pain recovered within 1 month. हमारे पास हर 5 पेशेंट जो होता है पैकिंग आप कुछ भी न करें तो 1 महीने को आपका पेशेंट जो होता है the majority of the acute problems are solved within 4 to 6 weeks and can be managed by primary health care. Only 15% patient can be given definite diagnosis and majority have non-specific back pain. 80% of the population will experience at least one episode of disabling low back pain during their life. This is just the ABC of pain management. Your occupational regulation is not important anyway. You have to act completely free whenever you examine. Now, another important thing, in our army, most of the people, they have got amputation. हाथ कटा हुआ है कहते हैं मेरे हाथ में दर्द है. टांग कटी है कहते मेरे पाँव में दर्द है. लोग कहते हैं not possible. Definitely they have got pain, phantom pain, and it's very difficult to treat phantom pain. आप जो मर्जी कर दें, there are 50 types of different treatments that you suggest for phantom pain, but not single one. That's what we have done. We have got 1 lakh amputees in our army here, which has been during war, etc. Few of them they are sitting here, and what we give we give them transcutaneous electrical stimulation. ये इलेक्ट्रोड लगा हुआ था, it is just TNS कहते हैं, transcutaneous electrical. And most of the people take benefit. If they have a pain in their stem, we give local instrumentation. लगा देते हैं रोमा वगैरह. Now, similarly, cancer patients every year, 6 million new cancer patients are diagnosed in the world. More than 4 million die. 10% of all deaths, 10% of the patients die. So both are. Now what we are doing from higher education, we are thinking that patients with a cancer pain should not die. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि अगर पेशेंट कैंसर पेशेंट को मरना है, he should die with dignity. कि ये ना हो कि घर वाले सारे बीमार हों और उसके बाद पेशेंट को हाई करता रहे. और nobody admits cancer patient. कभी भी कोई कैंसर पेशेंट वार्ड वाले लेते नहीं है, बिस्तर नहीं हमारे पास. At least we can do a palliative care, we can relieve pain. For many of the fitness students have MSc वालों को कहा, for God's sake, you don't charge anything to the patient who are suffering from cancer. ये हमारे motto है. So you can charge anything from other patient, but not from the cancer. WHO has devised this thing. अब थोड़ा सा पेन हो तो आप दवाई दे दें उसको, नॉन ओपीआइड. थोड़ा पेन ज़्यादा हो जाए ओपीआइड के साथ और ज़्यादा दर्द हो जाए तो नॉन ओपीआइड देना चाहिए. This is WHO. Not necessarily you should leave everything to WHO, but there are patients who will have pain after this event. You have tried everything, then you have to add fourth thing. And these are, we are doing this fourth step, adding those patients 10%, those who are not being relieved by anything. जो भी आप निकालें, हमारे पास fentanyl patch नहीं रहता, हमारे पास morphine नहीं रहता, हमारे पास पैथिलीन के transmitters नहीं रहता. We have request other countries give us fentanyl patch. If you have fentanyl patch, you can put it on the 3% 2 hours, no pain. It's not available. Patient आया था यहाँ and they were giving like 10,000 के patch. It cost only 50. It's available in other countries. So when pain is not relieved, you can give blood. Now, there are other ways, non-pharmacological methods. You can give transcutaneous electrical stimulation. तो 2 इलेक्ट्रोड लगा दें, पेन भी लेते हैं और फिजियोथेरेपी. Similarly, in rheumatoid arthritis, I know it's very difficult to take the growing drugs or and just to tell you, the acupuncture was not known till 1973, and Pakistan was the first country who started acupuncture, who learned from China, and acupuncture doctors came to Pakistan first. Now what we do, shoulder pain, how long you can go on giving NSAIDs, etc. Then we have to give blood. Very easy, you can give suprascapular nerve block, which supplies the shoulder joint. Very easy to give suprascapular nerve block, which supplies the shoulder joint. Look at this. This is known as CRPS, leg regional pain center. कभी आपने देखो प्लास्टर लगा दिया, एक हाथ टूट गया, दर्द नहीं होता. कभी आपने देखो प्लास्टर लगा दिया, एक हाथ ये वाला नॉर्मल. Very difficult. This type of neurogenic pain, इसको हमें ब्लॉक लगाने पड़ेंगे. But all oral drugs fail, what to do next? Then these are the things. Then we give intraarticular injections. We can give geniculate nerve block, we give intraarticular injection. Even we are giving plasma, rich plasma platelet, ERP, plasma rich. We are done about more than 100. You take the blood from the patient and centrifuge it, take the platelet, inject in that. Very good result with it. So you can very good result with injection with ERP, CRAD and botox, so many other things. Even backache is not relief. Then you give a Pathogen का कुछ नहीं होता. If you have got sciatica, pain will be like this. And if you have got pathogen, pain will be on your extension. Simple. When you are standing, if pain is on your extension, in pathogen you have to block एक nerve ऊपर है, because middle branch supplies both. You have to block it. So you can block pathogen infection. Very common every fifth patient I say. This you can give acupuncture also.
This you can give acupuncture also.
Acupuncture अगर छोटी स्टोरी सुना दूँ आपको, acupuncture was not recognized till 1994. When we started, I myself did not believe acupuncture is from Karnataka, but I show you it works and it works. And something we used to do it. I was in Syria in the age of Golan Act in 1973. I used to inject this local broth needle to baggage patients. And patient used to say, sir, मैं तो ठीक हो गया. I did not believe. I was a major और जिसको मैं ट्रीट करता था वो स्पाई होता था. स्पाई हमेशा मेजर को कहता सर स्ट्रेस होता ना कि ठीक हो. This news spread among the all groups when I was in the Golan Heights. तो उन्होंने कहा, the senior people they started coming, लोहा जनरल वगैरह. जब उन्होंने कहा कि मेरी कमर ठीक हो गई, अरबी दहर मिले हदी, मेरी कमर मिले हदी, यानी लोहे की तरह हो गई. Then I thought कि जनरल झूठी बोलते हैं. मैंने कहा यार जनरल कह रहा सच ही कहता होगा. Then I started believing that acupuncture really works when all medical bills you can try acupuncture. Still, if pain is not relieved, you can do epidural, very simple. हम धीरे वगैरह कराते रहते हैं, कैसेट डाल देते हैं. Then epidural, very easy to do. Bottle of or epidural for pain relief. You can turn it, you can keep it for 15-20 minutes. And you can prevent even with the outside there's a device you go and inject it through that. So there are so many ways and means to inject. But it is a definite special specialty. There are 46 specialties in so in conclusion that we should believe the patient and treat it accordingly as soon as possible. Thank you.